Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys 3 ways in which you can buy an NFT. This video is not a financial advice, it is just for educational and entertainment purpose only, so please do your own research. All the links are mentioned in the description box below. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe to watch more of such content. Let's get into it. The first way in which you can purchase an NFT is through OpenSea. OpenSea is one of the biggest and the king of all the NFT marketplace out there. Over here, you can purchase NFT with some Ethereum tokens, Polygon tokens as well, and also Solana as of now. So first thing you need to do is get a crypto wallet, because this will be your connection to various apps out there. So you have to download this wallet, create an account, sign up and get Ethereum tokens, because that is what you will be using to make a purchase and sell on OpenSea. Or you can get Solana tokens as well if you want to buy this through Solana. If you want, you can also buy it from Binance and transfer those Ether tokens into your MetaMask wallet. Once you have those tokens, you will come back to OpenSea, and when you click Explore tab over here and when you click All NFTs, you're gonna see that they do have quite a bunch of options that you can buy and own. So when I click Solana NFT, I will only see the NFTs that are listed on Solana network. So do your research, take a look at the NFT platform you want to go for, and then click over here and connect the wallet. So MetaMask is one of the most popular wallet. However, if you're using Solana, you will use Phantom, Glow wallet, and also you can switch to Polygon network as well. So let's say we really like this NFT over here. It is known as Bandit Boys. It's 5,000 Bandit Boys, which will be causing a ruckus on Solana blockchain. And when I click over here, I can get more information about this NFT. It is known as #1881. And currently over here, you can also see the transaction history, everything that has happened with this NFT so far. If you want to make an offer, you can click Make an Offer, connect your wallet and follow the prompts. Then we have this NFT over here on Ethereum network, which is known as CyberKong #398. It is currently priced at 29.5 ETH, which is $51,966.32. So if you want to buy now, you can click buy now, connect it with your MetaMask wallet, ensure that you at least have 29.5 ETH in your wallet, and follow the prompts to make a transaction. So that's your first way of purchasing the NFT. The second way in which you can purchase your NFT is through Solana Art, which is a platform that you can use if you want to buy NFT on Solana. Solana has one of the cheapest, lowest and fastest transaction speed compared to Ethereum. So if you want to strictly deal with Solana because of a lower gas fees, you can check out Solana Art. For this, you can have different wallets that you can connect with. So over here, when I click connect wallet, I'm gonna see different wallets that it is compatible with. So we have Phantom, Solana, Solid, Taurus, Ledger, and so much more. I already have a Phantom account integrated in this system, so I will just click over here. I will enter my password and I will click connect. And now, as you can see, my wallet has been connected. My wallet address is displayed over here, and I do not have any Solana tokens, so it says 0 Sol tokens. To get Phantom wallet, you can go to the website of Phantom. It's a really great wallet, very easy to use, great user interface for Solana blockchain. And over here, you can see all the NFTs that you can have in this platform. You can download it, follow the prompts, create an account. Once you have that, you can connect it over here like I did, and then take a look at different collections of NFT you can browse from. So we have over here Bald Badgers. They have 10,000 items, 1,403 items listed, 1.70 is the floor price, 216.82k is the volume that has been traded so far. You can also filter out the NFT by clicking any of these tabs on the left panel. Let's take a look at this one for example. It is known as Bold Badger. It is currently owned by this wallet address, and if you want to buy it, it is 1.7 Sol tokens. So you're gonna click buy now if you want to do that and follow the prompts. I don't really want to do that right now, and I have not funded my Solana wallet, that's why I cannot do it. Or you can simply click make an offer, enter the amount for which you want to make an offer for, and place the offer. If the owner likes the offer, he'll accept it and the NFT will be yours. So that's the second way you can purchase NFT through Solana network. The next way in which you can buy NFT is through crypto.com NFT platform. It is one of the great platforms where you can buy NFT from famous celebrities and famous people out there in one go. They do have top collections listed over here. As you can see, we have different collections. You can also browse based on last 7 days, last 30 days, and so on. You can also see the top creators. It's Aston Martin, Ugonzo Art, Greynote Media, The Real Genius, and so much more. So to get started, you have to click create and sign in into your account. So if you are an existing user of crypto.com, you have to kind of integrate your app to this NFT platform, and that way you can purchase the NFT in their ecosystem. So let's take a look at this one. For instance, currently it is listed on Polygon network, and this is what is called. This is the name of the creator. The starting bid is $15. It's currently on auction, and if you want to place a bid, you can just click place a bid, sign in into your account, and make the order. They currently have crypto.org chain, Ethereum chain, Polygon chain, and Kronos chain. So you can use any of these networks based on which NFT will be shown to you, and you can make that purchase. For instance, we have this NFT over here which you can buy for $750, and that should be it. So that's really good. Crypto.com does have different network options that you can choose from. They also have their own native ecosystem within which you can buy an NFT. These are the three ways in which you can purchase an NFT for yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.